How to generate traffic using solo ads. We've all heard many times over that list building is critical for long-term success in internet marketing. If you think about it, it's easy to understand why list building is so important, since you get the opportunity to present sales offers to a potential customer multiple times instead of just showing a sales letter one time. It's not easy getting started from scratch, however, and many people struggle to drive enough traffic to their squeeze page in order to generate a significant number of subscribers. If you're one of those online business owners who can't seem to get very many subscribers, why not try some paid advertising in the form of solo ads? After all, paid advertising has always been an excellent way to gain exposure for your business more quickly, which is one reason why pay-per-click campaigners are so popular and generate so much money for Google and other search engines. Instead of waiting around forever to generate enough traffic to your squeeze page, you can simply take out an advertisement by purchasing solo ads from a reputable marketer who has a significant list. The advertisement would lead readers to your squeeze page where you can offer some sort of incentive, like a free ebook or short report, in order to convert those visitors into subscribers. If you're a member of a marketing forum such as the Warrior Forum or any number of other similar forums, you might be able to find some good opportunities for solo ads, even though you have to be careful when it comes to spending your money on advertising. If there's someone you trust on a marketing forum or in a paid membership site, perhaps that person can recommend an opportunity for advertising so you can start building your list much more quickly in order to get your business off the ground.